Hello everyone, today is Monday, June 17th. We are back to work. I think our workshop is always open, even on Sunday or Saturday, because it should be kept in aging. Of course, you know, have a look. Beautiful. The girls are dancing. The girls are, I think they are from Korea, South Korea. This is the most popular LED display, transparent. So this is our workshop. That's it today. Okay, I will back to office to work now. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot. If you like to know the price of the LED, no matter conventional LED or the popular crystal film LED, don't hesitate to just call me or send an email to us. Thank you.